Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to grow on Twitch. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to grow on Twitch, you need to network yourself and put a lot of effort into developing your persona and brand. Besides that, here are some tips that might help you. First, set a goal. Before you get started, it's important to lay down some goals. Are you looking to grow your channel by increasing views and subscribers? Or are you looking to grow your channel with more content or focus on a specific niche? To get started with this step, get a strategy on how you will achieve your goals. Consistency is key. No one likes an inactive streamer. After all, people subscribe to your channel for content. So if you are looking to gain and maintain subscribers, you need to stick to a consistent schedule. Give your audience value. The reality is your audience matters. When you are looking to grow your channel, they play an important role in it. So the next thing you need to do is create streams that your audience will enjoy. By providing a reason for them to watch your streams, you will gain repeat viewers. Play the right games. This is the most important step. We mentioned that you should know what interests your audience. If you're trying to grow your channel, then it's essential that you play the right games. Use social media to promote bold connections with the other streamers. Lastly, don't just build your channel on Twitch, utilize other social media platforms to promote your Twitch channel. When you are just starting out, you need to find ways to gain exposure and attract attention. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.